Ayan, maliwliwa ka talaga. So, you're still with your manong idol June Seriales and your kaanakan idol John Man Pastor. Ito lang nga po, numero 1 nga programa, Tintero at Cagayan Valley. Ada kami manon, dito yung 98.5 IFM. Iti idol tayo nga FM. And kati-kiti may bimisita apo kata kami to'y. Agyaman kami iti panang ano tawag diyan? Panang patgan wala na pinatgan panang ipataghamat agor ka tapi na ganyo dagi tay kalikagom nga umay kayo diri apo especially apo datay makinbagi iti Pacific Star International Recruitment Employment Agency. Ayan, kahit sa apelo kung maabot ado ti matulungan tayo nga nagigikayat na aga-abroad nga mapapintas mo iti panagbiag dakas yay, something like that. And umasidig kay lang apo kada kami, tasi kami ti mga sidig kada kwada kaya masaknan. John Mark, do you have anything to say?
Bossing, para guys manjay ni bakat ko sumanao. Wala naman.
Sino?
Ni George Shekel Batara.
Ni bakat na nga sumanao?
Sumuko na na.
Ay,
para guys man bossing ni bakat ko nga sumanao. Wala naman.
Ay, baka dati gapuna,
Met, tapos ko na met so may pa-share dita Domingo bossing. One ako na man.
Of course, please feel free.
Pero temo kaji bakat ko nga sumanao ko aji kanta ni police, mamang police. Ni paren. Ada ni bakat ko sumanao kung kuna na, di ba? Mamang police.
Awang pa iti kasi ito hanta pa yung nga nang.
So kadi ajay bossing, aji kanta ni Sir Robert Abella. Ni bakat ko sumanao kuna na. Amom nga round. Yan na aji.
Among buhan.
Pero natikabil mo ko ma.
Adamo ti di bagat ko nga sumano. Dali dati sunata tangan ni bagat na kasumano.
Ano nga kanta ta jay?
Ato ini kakitaam ka medyo umarag.
Ay si Siwit Tichon na kano ni bagat ko sumanao ni Sir nga Robert Abella.
Awan. Ayan. So, iti oras ka baranggayan ka Ilian Kalugaran is 31 minutes past the hour of 2 and we still have a lot of time. Mano dyan ipadawatan balong?
800.
So,
800 ba?
Baka no lumagpas na matang DJ limit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
800 nga talaga. Ayan, so, kaarubang.
Berkat agi-delete taman kay day. Nakatadon na 160 plus.
180 plus ko na nakidide tangay. 180, ayan. Ay, bagam no ready kan, tirag dito yan. Tirag.
Ano tayo? Sige, papugto ka manan?
Papugto ka manan. Nagkadungog din ng tati sponsorship. Ang mabaling nga sila tayo mga gastos ito, sakit tiboksit na, meriendata na gito. For another 200 pesos, ladies and gentlemen, and it's because it's post-Valentine presentation of Ada kami manan. That's why adati kasi nga pa-premyo. Ang arod! For another 200 pesos with your name, age, and address. Apo,
dagos si song bato.
Miriam Gamboa, kung na dito. Apo, multi-title na. Dagdagos nga nag-isendis mo na.
Pa-shoutout po from EJ Gamyaw.
Yan, EJ Gamyaw. Okay nga Rod, as I have said, for another 200 pesos with your name, age, address. Ano tingin ko ha, balong?
Text line?
09
1715000361.
What is the title of this song? Good morning, yesterday. You wake up and time has slipped away. And suddenly it's hard to find the memories you've left behind. Remember, do you remember the laughter and the tears, the shadows of misty yesteryears, the good times and the body of sin, and all the others in between. Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Reach back for the joy and the sorrow, put them away in your mind, the memories of time that you borrow, to spend when you get to tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one, so gather moments while you may collect the dreams you've dreamed today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life? Dear
Chasofia.
Chasofia.
Kunak kayo sa i-spill mo ay. Dear.
So gather moments while you may collect the dreams you've dreamed today. Remember, will you remember the times of your life? Of your life. Of your life. Do you remember, baby? Do you remember the times of your life? Will you remember, baby? Will you remember the times of your life? Will you remember, baby? Will you remember the times of your life? Okay, that was a piece from Paul Anka. Yan nagkanta po ti I'm so young and you're so old. Lagi tati kinakanta na. I don't like to sleep alone. Oh, Carol. Nail si Daka Gam. That's Paul Anka. Put your head on my shoulder. Lagi talaon na iti kanta na. And the title of the song is Times of Your Life. And our winner is a 32-year-old from Paracelis Mountain Province. Kita man lang talaga. Nakaadto nga talaga ti agdingdingig kanyata na talaga maayata na. So congratulations to ading
Rose
Agustin. Kung ano ti i-title na tate ka Dear Chasofia. Okay, so once again, congratulations. Amo ko kala kwada di kabatog tayo din stasyon.
Naimbang nga malang ti Domingo tayo aming karuwas from Auntie Mary Jane Padilla de la Cruz. Kuya Paragas Manjay, Only Yesterday by Carpenters.
Only yesterday when we were one, and all the time the glory. Come on, you showed me yesterday, you showed me the way. Apo ado ti Carpenters minga amo dahil na Carpenters ading. Madimi na practice.
Magkuha day. Dati playlist ti Carpenters ko, kahit no kahit ko ti maturog, Carpenters dito.
Okay, anyway, so katami ading Ella. Apo nagaduti ko, nagaduti na.
Nagsumbat.
Oh, you see.
Download ako ulit tagpay sa tika.
88 nga simbong bat.
Ha?
88. Di ba naburam tatayen?
Looking through
the eyes of love. Wow, nagita ka launay. Yan, so, alam na dyan, tatayan?
Wala na kayo tatayan.
I-request ni Manang Alice, Lazaro Liga. Please don't let this feeling end. Kurana anday.
Please don't let this feeling end.
I-search mo dyan yung lyrics mo ta. Pagbigyan taman naman ng Alice.
Diyan ka mo no, kabisado ko dati. Sa maling mga singer mo tayo, mangkan-kanta.
Madilang org nga nga pag-isunod ka dagiti name the tunan. Kaya di pa nga mga makadi pa makanta di kansyon na. Ay kaya daki siyan iso nga Kanta man, look as requested, looking through the eyes of love in FDD version.
Everything I want to be, kung kuna naman na
Looking through the eyes of love. Ano na ata? Bagam lang, no, mukaya ta. Looking through the eyes of love. Dan?
Ada. So, bali nga singer mo gawin, magkangantay dito eh. Pero, testing. Ano kayak na to?
Ayan. When, Gorka. Hindi ka mo ayan na. Okay, bumasa ka pingarot barong ka. Kita dumapay nga pangablaaw before we go on with the request.
Manong Pragas Manje more than words from the extremes. Thank you from Mary Jane Patelio. Ano ito na di IFM mamat tatapig. Hindi pinabasbasa dito eh. Page di IFM, wala ka. 30 na nga buibuyan eh. Good day po watching from Hong Kong from Jovi. Happy Sunday mga idol, ka-Blackman. Da Ate Janet, kan Ate Hermana Pascual, Dita Isabella from Rome, Italy. From Maria Coloma, wow, ano ni Nilda Zabala. Watching from Hong Kong from Dina, Zer Andres, dito, ito, bilado na. Baliktad ka, Serdna, Andres.
Ay, okay, kasi kaya mo yan.
Tingag buibay ni Sir Emil
Nakadala
Tapos naging text ko pa ini, gayam nagadaw. Brad, favor man kabalakman, tinembag nga balaw ni Andres, patalitan. Madamang agdingdingag, pakikan tayo dyan, buksit. Salamat from ni kabatch ko nga nagalano taga San Mateo. Ate Penny nagatid dog. Oo, naimbag nga balang bata kayo mga idols. Ating nga makan manong dyan, tatay pa 113 dahito. Kabla ko man aming agdingdingag dito, ayan may kan kadagiti amin nga family ordinaryo kan family pagaduan Jeramon nang rona kinimanong ko Noemi. Kabla ko man ading ni tatay ko Alfredo Ordinaryo tiblated. Happy birthday na idi February 12 kan kabla na man mat. Ading birthday ko idi 14. Oy, Valentine's. Request ko man jay my Valentine. More power to your program and God bless always Donna San Antonio Atoy. Iti Villa Sanchez San Guillermo Isabela. Na yung pagkamalam idol, mati mabirokan, kablaw man, dagiti agdingdingag dito yung Villa Carmen, akas kada tatay, Eli, Osming, Antilos, Bubit, Antinate, Antimerigen, Ambang, Pitong, yours truly, Big Boy, request maulo, Mildred, tatay pagay mga to. Dati pa yun. Ni Ma'am Nora Bermudez. Bermudez. Good afternoon, Karuba, great command kita imay na nakibudal fight, dito yung Rizal West, San Isidro, iso dag, JJ, kanda kita yung duwang anak, na iso das siya kan ni Riz kan ni ading ko nga ni Bob Fabros kan ti asawa na nga ni Cheat kan ni Ethan kan anak ko nga ni Sharon request ko jay alite apay nga puro mot English kan tayon. It's me Norma Bermudez sa Cebu San Isidro may kan makibudol fight mga idol tata kami lang ag-celebrate handamay di February 12 salamat.
Okay so kung nagkakanta kami po English to the in the observance of Valentine's Day. Ahawang kami mo ito di istasyon tadamot ti show so nga tatami lang nga po nga iparparik na dagiti sunatan iyat kan biag nga maawamot ti makita nga looking through the eyes no akin piyesa di jay
ni Oski
ni Oski ti mangkan kansyon di jay okay takitantang rin
baka dito pam folder mo
ni
Jason
Odessa looking ko na
oh, coba
okay nga ron.
Lyrics, no?
Aman.
Wala, ewan nga talaga. May awanak sa kasta.
Sige, mga, aksara, bagbagay mo ti agvaklos. Sige, man.
Apa aya?
Di ba? Okay, tasing looking through the eyes of love. Apo, ito may isang pagkayam tayo.
Alag, nervyosak si ka.
Ayan, det. Sige, apay,
Ang sakit nga ron. Nabuyak ka. Ay, Jai. Pinagnaton sa might. Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love.
Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes out shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Don't let this feeling end. It might not come again. And I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how it feels so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Pasok!
Instrumental?
Mali, pasukan mo na yan. Now if I sunlight.
Ayak.
Kita mo na agad.
No way you're beside me. I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now, reaching out to touch you.
You see.
I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Palpalaran version.
One. Anyway, kasta nga talaga ti musicians. Ito ti request na. Okay. Apo, if only mabalit tayong i-extend iti oras na makansyon tamo at gadihan takang kansyonan dito ay mabalit tayong ipakita nga ado pa iti sonata ta. Anyway, apo iti 4-decade duo kat na bukal babayin iti ay tinagal mi nga 4-decade duo because of our repertoire. I sing 70s, 1970s up to the present. Insinil po naman ni John Marti 80s up to the present. So nga nagsil po, it's a 4-decade of song. That's why we call ourselves 4-decade duo. Ngem kaputa Ilocano mo tanti nagbalin nga sentro apo iti kantami. Kami mo mabalin nga baliwan ng tinagan mi nga 4-decade duo. Isong kasdilaton. Narad? Ano da kita ito mga kaligagom da kita
Request mo Jay, Suddenly by Billy Ocean. Agyaman nak.
Ay na, ako nga piyesa da kita sa kakarigat. I used to think
process
that
pa
it was just a fairy tale until the first smile.
Trying hard to go to this moment I don't know.
Ay, sampu lang.
This baka still long.
Stunan, ano mo kansyon ka ba? Bitin naman da kita kagaya.
At ilatag ratan na eh.
Awa mo tagigim ngor iti ko agor kata kita.
Ay, aja mic mo na.
Sige, padasin ta na. Padasin ta nga.
Natilisik pala tatay kape.
Barbaring makansyon ta ta.
Tuk.
As requested, a song entitled style.
Awan.
Awan, kung mapindot na eh.
O, sige, double purpose.
Madago na,
Patay kasi ako.
madago na yung gitara na ako ka.
Sige, mute muted gitara ta.
Ayan. Go.
Saying I love you, it's not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want to, not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. La-di-da-la-di-da-di-da-da-da. More than words. La-di-da-la-di-da. Now that I've tried to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hand and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. Da-di-da-la-di-da-di-da-da-da.
More than words.
Da-di-da-la-di-da.
Ako may pagpadaha dito yun.
Ako, di pedal lang. Ano, sustain?
Wala naman din ako. Ting! Ding. Ay, the ting. Ayan.
More than
Words. dalaunay ka nga tirtirada mo tan sa nata. And Kasla na ipi nga pusa. Okay, Rod. Dimteng manin abot oras din tayo pa nagsasina. And thank you so much for listening, watching us. And this has been your idol, June Sarialas.
Idol, John Mark Pastor.
Saying
goodbye and God bless. See you again on Facebook. Dito ay 98.5 IFM. Iti Idol tayo nga FM.
And nga Rod, for our last space, irok ni kuman po dahito yung sunata kadagiti ka familyak. Happy Valentine's to my wife, tagiti anak ko. And wherever, whenever, ayat ka mabalkot tayo. Around the world I've searched for you. I traveled on when hope was gone to keep a rendezvous. I knew somewhere, sometime, somehow, you look at me and I would see the smile you're smiling now. It might have been counted down, or in New York, in Gay Paris, or even London town. No more will I go all around the world, for I had found my world in you. Arte na DJ Balong. Okay, in the style of Nat King Cole. Nat King Cole. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Nat King Cole. It might have been counted down, or in New York, in Gay Paris, or even London town. No more will I go all around the world, for I had found my